Good evening, everyone. I'm Gina Moisho, and I'm gonna report number 12, 13, and 14 tips of making a cover letter. So, number 12 of the tips in preparing a cover letter is be factual. Never misrepresent yourself by overstating your experience and skills. In short, don't exaggerate. So, be factual. You must state your self or experience. Yung iba lang sa cover letter ang kung saang truth and kung saang accurate. For example, lang mga butang ka ato nga hardworking but inag-abot sa time nga dili makita nga hardworking, so it's mga conflict. So you must include or state sa imuhang cover letter kung unsa gyud to ang tinuod ug unsa gyud ang imuhang kanang skills. And importante po na kay dili man pod sa dapat a cover letter is ano gyud dapat nakasigud kinadaghan kag experience imong stateanan, but mula ito inaabot sa panahon na dili day na mo imuhang gipakita, so murag ma-conflict siya. And so number 13 is do not beg for the job. Example, please call today, I'll be waiting by phone mo, you know. If it's meant for you, so may mo gid ang job, so never beg kay ang trabaho para nimo makuha mo yan nimo. So you must be patiently wait sa kanang respond or unsa ang kalabasan sa imuhang plan nga trabaho. So that's number 13 nga in preparing a cover letter. So number 14 of tips in preparing a cover letter is, as you write, imagine that you are writing a script for your interview. How you could break the ice at the beginning of the interview. How can you convey a positive personality? The things you want to talk about during the company's HR department or receptionist for further information and for copies of the company brochure, annual reports. So first is how could you break the ice at the beginning of the interview? So kanang how man sama nato pagpakita gid is mag-start yun na siya sa with confidence, and the way you greet the mga nag-interview nimo, start with confident and friendly greetings, or syempre dili mo wala ang smile, so that mag-start ang kay confidence, mag-start na musunod na kay positive na murabag masugdan na ang positive vibes sa imong pag-interview. Na next na, how can you convey a positive personality? Let your personality shine naturally. Dili nang kulba-kulbaan mo kurog-kurog mga klaro bitaw dapat gid na confidence ito para tuloy to be follow na gyud ang to be follow ang muhang mga positive natural agad normal agad na pagka ikaw daw yung maharap ka sa mga interview, ano pa man ang be true to yourself man yan. Isa mag-prepared ka, kinataasan ka ayo nga memorize na mga imong istorya na sa imong interview nimo, dili na masud sa imong makulbaan ka mo na manang be natural, speak literal and confidence with confidence. And also it's important to identify the key experience and skills na gusto nimong ma-highlight sa imong interview. So piliin to the most number 1 gina na is hardworking. na mo dyan na ang number one na ma-state ko sa interview na hardworking, capable to adjust na maka mahimo nimo kamo adjust sa trabaho yan ang mga example. So that's all of the tips in preparing a cover letter.